Today I'll be hiking on a snowy mountain alone in the country of Liechtenstein. That's where I just came from. This looks a bit sketchy. What? It's completely blocked. It's also starting to get dark now. It's all I'm actually going to like prison now. This is like the toughest prison. This is day 9 out of 2 weeks of traveling on a free Interrail pass all around Europe. Alright, welcome to this video and welcome to part 9 or something like that. I just left my hostel. It's about 12 o'clock now and I just finished the video that was supposed to go up yesterday. But just waking up, looking out the window from your bed and just seeing these views is incredible. There's a bit of clouds right now, so it's a bit difficult to see, but these mountains are incredible. The mountain I'm hiking today is like one of these, I don't know which, but it's gonna be exciting. At the hostel I stayed at, a guy which was in the same room as me was like a professional hiker and he gave me his Instagram. Then I asked him about the mountain I'm gonna hike and he approved it, so there you go. But he was very nice, we talked a lot. I think I'm gonna rent a bike. Alright, these bikes are actually quite cheap compared to other ones I've tried. These are like 2 Swiss franc, which is almost the equivalent to 2 euros for like half an hour. Alright, let's see how this goes. So it's an e-bike, but how does it work? Power this. Alright, I am going now. Well, this is not the best angle, I guess. So this is the Viggo castle, and it's where the Prince of Liechtenstein lives. Damn, these mountains. Quite incredible. I am now in Switzerland and I'm now going back to Liechtenstein. Alright, so once again I have some explaining to do. So I rode the bike up the steepest hill I think I've ever gone up on a bike, up to the bus stop. And then when I was about to end the bike ride, found out that this bike rental requires you to park the bike at a designated space. And that location was like all the way down the hill again. And that made me miss the bus. And now the bus isn't for like another 2 hours. Okay, so I called a taxi and that's quite difficult when you don't know German. I hope he knows where I am. It's been like 20 minutes now. Well, I gave up on the taxi. I took a bus like a small part of the way. But the thing is that the sun goes down at around 5 and by bus I won't be able to get up there until 3:45. So I kind of feel like I've wasted a whole day in Liechtenstein. Alright, I finally made it up here, and what a view! But it is still kind of raining and it's quite cold up here, so I'll just have a quick change of clothes. Alright, I got a few more layers on. It's still very cold, just ate a snack bar. But I'll get going now to warm up my body. It is freezing right now. I don't know how many degrees it is, but it's very, very cold. But now I've decided it's time for some positive thoughts. I just think I'm very tired. This is crazy. What? There's trees falling down here. It's completely blocked, so I guess I'll get up here. I'm so glad I bought some wind pants. Oh, fuck! Oh, Scheiße! Ah. A bit too fast there. I should probably be going quite fast when I'm in areas like this where it's safe to do so. But I think there's a bus at about 8 o'clock, then there's 5 in exactly an hour. The rain is so weird up here because we're so close to the clouds. It's like dropping in another way than it usually does. I am so out of breath. Dang, this is so cool, and I promise you, I'm gonna be so careful right now. Just like, look how amazing this looks. This is so cool. But that's where I started, and then I went up that road, somewhere up here. Wow. Very glad that there's something to hold on to here. I don't think you can make out on camera how this looks, but there's quite a big distance between that and that mountain down there. Like, quite a distance. And it looks amazing from up here, and you're just below the clouds. This is amazing. I imagine this bridge is gonna be very slippery. It looks slippery. No, not that much, but I'm taking small steps. I feel like a mountain goat right now. Actually been hiking on a mountain just over there somewhere, like I think 2 years ago. The rain is actually acting a little bit more like snow at this height now. It's not like falling in straight lines right now. This is so crazy. Like, the trail goes along here, then up somewhere here, I guess. I think you can make out that the rain is like kind of like snow right now, right? Oh, there's actually snow up there. A little bit of snow. This is so crazy. That's where I just came from. These snowflakes are getting thicker now. Some of them is actually quite big. This looks a bit sketchy. Whoa, this is amazing. The snow, look at it. That's snow. Made it to the other side of the mountain now. incredible. Oh, look at that snow. Damn. Wow. And the snow begins. Don't think I've ever been so happy to see snow. Normally I don't like snow, but I'm quite sure that there is actually a bus at like 6 o'clock. I think it's just not a connection to the train station, but if I can just make it down, I'm just gonna rent a bike again and get to the station. But the bus that runs like 5:15 is like in 20 minutes, and I'm not gonna make that, I think. And you know, of course I'm not gonna hurry for the bus. Better late than never making it. There is so much snow right here, and I'm gonna hike up through this part. That's actually quite good snow. I've just taken a screenshot and I'm gonna show it here. That's where I am on this route. I am so out of breath right now. Damn, there's a lot of snow up here. I think this is the top, so there must be an amazing view up here. Normally it's also starting to get dark now, but it's also 10 minutes past 5 now, and it should be sunset at 5, so I'm gonna protect my face a bit now. It's not at all clear on camera how dark it's getting now. I'm so glad that I have a lot of wool on now. I have this wool buff and I have a big wool sweater on. Where did I put my phone? Ah, there you are. But I can now tell you that it's true what they say. An Interrail journey is definitely an experience for life. This is definitely the best trip I've ever had, and I'm having the time of my life right now. The snow just stopped up there while I was saying that. Now there's no snow. Wow, now you can see the lights down in the cities. This can't be right. Can't be 35 minutes to the bus stop. I don't have any gloves, but I'm covering my hands should I take a fall, because it's a little bit slippery. But I don't want these 2 Interrail weeks to end. I wish I could just do this full time and just be traveling the world. That's amazing. But there's like a few different camera options on my phone. This is the normal one, and it's all. Oh, fuck, hvad er det der? Oh, scheisse. Ah, shock. When it's dark, it's like very easy to get startled. But as I was saying, this is the normal one, which is always a bit brighter than it is in real life. And this is the wide angle, and it's always a little bit darker than it is in real life. And then I have the 5x zoom, but that's very dark. I guess I will put my phone away for a bit now, just to get my eyes used to this darkness. I'll be taking this. I think it's a little shortcut, but it's probably just an animal trek. Right, I'm starting to believe that it was 35 minutes to the bus. Finally, I'm almost at the bus stop now. But it's also quite dark right now. This has been so fun. Amazing. Well, there's 20 to 30 minutes to my bus goes. I must look insane right now. It is so good to be in the bus now. Alright, I got everything packed up and I'm ready to go. Pretty nice hostel, I must say. So just like 2 hours ago, I was up there somewhere in the dark. But I was like so warm during that entire trip. The only time I was cold was when I just got out of the bus and started hiking. It is freezing right now and I'm still just that warm that I don't even have my jacket on. So I guess it's still like warmer here in the Alps than at home in Denmark. Alright, I made it back to Switzerland, back to Chur, and I'm actually going to like prison now, like for real. This is like the toughest prison in the whole of Switzerland, or at least it was. Now it's just the former toughest prison of Switzerland converted into a very nice hostel, and I'm really looking forward to this. This is gonna be so cool. This is so cool. So this is me. Hello. Hello. This is so cool. This is a person who escaped the prison 2 times. And this guy was a Jewish resistance fighter during World War II because he killed a Nazi group leader. Well, it's midnight now and I'm gonna go to bed.